this video, we are going to see how to install the browser extension for Tagzzs. For that, you have to first come to the landing page of Tagzzs, which is tagzzs.com. Then you have to scroll to the footer where you will find two links, which are Add to Chrome and Add to Edge. For this video, let's try adding to Chrome. You click on Add to Chrome and you get this zip file of the extension. You now have to download it. Once it is downloaded, you go to your downloads folder and extract it. And once that is done, you open the extension for Chrome. Here you have to ensure that you have the developer mode on and then you click on load unpacked. From here you have to select the extracted file for the extension. Now you have the extension installed on your Chrome browser. I have pinned it and now we log into Tagzzs dashboard. After logging in, you can visit any web page and save content directly to your database. For example, this page. In order to save a page, you have to click on the tags icon present at the bottom right. And it is saved. Similarly, when you come across content while surfing on the internet around which you have previously saved, it shows up like your saved knowledge in this pop-up. So this is how you install the Tagzzs extension for any browser and use it.